Hey, what's up guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to another review on my channel. Today's video is going to be awesome because I have a brand new TWS earbuds from Noise. These are called the Noise Shorts X Buds and were launched recently. So in this video we're gonna unbox them and review the product. Alright then, let's get started. The Noise Shorts X Buds come in this sort of packaging. It's a clean white box with the Noise branding at the top and has a picture of the earbuds on the front. They're Bluetooth V5.0 TWS earbuds and come with a totally new design. Can't wait to unbox and see how they look like. Alright, let's check out the specs of the product. Their Bluetooth V5.0 have a 10-meter range. Each earbud comes with a 45 mAh battery. The case also comes with a built-in 650 mAh battery, and they're also IPX5 rated water resistant. And yes, one more best feature about them is they support full touch control operations. The features on the X Buds look really promising. Let's get started with the unboxing. Let me tear this outer cover on the box. There we go. Let's unbox it and finally check out the product. The outer cover slides out like this and the earphones come nicely packed in the box. Looks like we've also got another box just below that. We'll check it out in a moment. First, let me take all of these items out one by one. Along with the earbuds, we get these accessories in the box. The first one includes a user manual. Just make sure to read that for all the info on the product. Let me take them out and show you. Damn guys, look at that matte black finishing. Looks beautiful from my first impressions. Before we go in depth, let me also take the charging case out. So here it is, this is how it looks like. The case has an oval shaped design with the same matte black finish, has the Noise logo at the top, and the build quality looks decent. The body is entirely made of plastic. On the front side, you've got 4 LED indicators for the battery, and going to the back there's a micro USB port for charging the case. That's it, there's nothing else on it. And this is how the inside looks like. You just have 2 slots over here to insert the earbuds. So that was about the case. Now let's have a closer look at the Noise Shorts X Buds. One thing I've observed is the design of these earbuds is pretty similar to the Apple's brand new Airpods Pro. Not exactly the same, but very close to them. It has some stickers over here on the contacts. You need to remove them before inserting them in the case, otherwise your earbuds won't charge. And that's done. Now let's talk about the design and the build quality. The Noise X Buds have a stylish looking ergonomic design in a beautiful matte black finish. The build quality is also good. They're made of high quality plastic, have the Noise branding on the front, and a small Bluetooth status LED indicator at the top. Each of these earbuds come with a 45 mAh battery. And on the other side you've got the left and right indications and charging contacts above that. And yes, one more thing I totally forgot to tell you. You see this area over here? This entire area is for the touch controls on both the earbuds. You can play pause music, control volume, and even activate voice assistant. The quality of the ear tips also look nice. So that's it, that was our complete overview on the Noise Shorts X Buds. Now let me power them on and talk about the comfort and the audio quality. The X Buds are quite lightweight and feel pretty comfortable to wear for long time usage. The noise isolation is also good. But the best part is they're also IPX5 rated water and sweat resistant, so you can even use them during workouts. And coming to the audio quality was very good for the price. The mids were crisp and clear, the vocals felt mellow and had a nice warm feel in them, and the dialogues were also easily understandable. Talking about the treble, the high frequency response was really good. It was producing silky smooth treble. But coming to the bass was there, but it was not that punchy as I was hoping. Compared to the Noise Shorts X1 Air, the mids and the treble performance is better on this one, but the bass was really nice on the X1 Air. But on the overall, I was quite satisfied with the sound quality. The TRHD was also less, up to 90% volume level, beyond which you could feel slight distortion in the audio. And the audio output was also loud and satisfactory. The microphone quality was also good during call conversations. Now let me tell you about the battery. I'd say the battery life was decent. On a single charge, I was getting a continuous music playtime of around 3.5 to 4 hours at 75% volume level. But since the case also comes with a built-in battery, it can charge your buds up to 3 times. That means you'll get a total music playtime of around 10 to 11 hours. Well, that was my review on the Noise Shorts X Buds. They're very good and stylish looking earbuds. Love the design, are quite comfortable, they're sweat proof and also offer full touch controls. The only thing I felt was if the bass was a little bit more punchy, this would have been awesome. They cost around 3,999 rupees. I'll just leave a link to them in the description box below. You can check it out there. So that's it for today. Hope you all liked the video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you in the next one.